Welcome to our channel Desire and Passion.
In this video, we are going to discuss about major landforms. At a glance, let us see the topic we are covering in this session. The surface of the earth varies from one place to another. Some parts are flat and level, while others are raised. Landforms are natural features of the landscape. The main landforms are mountains, plateaus, plains, deserts, and rivers. Mountains. A mountain is a landform that rises at least 1000 feet or more above its surrounding area. Mountains cover about 20% of the total land area of the earth. A mountain may be narrow at top and broad at the base. They usually have steep sloping sides and sharp or rounded ridges. The highest point is called the peak or summit. Mountain peaks are mostly conical in shape. The height and shape of mountains depend on their age. The Himalayas and the Alps are young mountains. They are high and have conical peaks. The Aravallis and the Appalachians are very old mountains. Therefore, they are low and have rounded peaks. Features of mountains. A mountain range is a series or chain of mountains that are close together. They may extend for hundreds of kilometers. The Himalayas in India, the Andes in South America, and the Rockies in North America are examples. Temperature reduces with increase in altitude. Due to this, very high mountains are usually covered with snow. Importance of mountains. Barrier to rain-bearing clouds and cause rainfall. Barrier against cold and hot winds. River originating from mountains provide water for irrigation. Great tourist attractions because of lot of scenic spots. Mountains are covered with forests and so provide many forest productions like wood, herbs, medicinal plants, honey. Plateaus. A plateau is a flat and elevated land. It looks almost like a mountain that has been cut from one side to the other near the top. Because of this shape, a plateau is also called a tableland. Some plateaus are very large and extend over hundreds of kilometers. The Deccan Plateau in India is one of the oldest plateaus in the world. Many plateaus have deep canyons on their surface. The Grand Canyon in the Colorado Plateau is an example. Importance of plateaus. Plateaus are rich in mineral deposits. Example, Chota Nagpur Plateau in Jharkhand, Odisha, and Chhattisgarh. Many waterfalls are present in plateau areas. Example, Jog Falls in Karnataka. Plateaus have grasslands on which cattle and sheep are reared. The lava plateaus are rich in black soil. It is fertile and is good for cultivation. Plateau areas are great tourist attractions because of lot of scenic spots. So children, let us discuss about plains. A plain is a flat and low-lying land surface and are generally not more than 200 meters above mean sea level. They are also called lowlands. Plains are usually formed by deposition of sand and silt by rivers and their tributaries. When the rivers slow down, these materials are deposited on their banks. Plains are formed by the deposits. Plains near the sea coast are called coastal plains. Importance of plains: highly fertile and ideal for cultivation. Easy to make transport network in the plains. Best areas for human habitation. Most of the densely populated areas in the world. Example, Indo-Gangetic Plains. So children, here you can see a very beautiful picture of a desert. What you know about desert? Let us see. Deserts are the sandy land areas that receive very little rainfall. These areas have a arid or semi-arid climate. Deserts have bare soil, low vegetation cover, very hot days and cold nights, frequent dust forms. Let us see some examples for deserts. The Sahara Desert, Kalahari Desert, Great Sandy Desert, Great Victoria Desert and the Thar Desert. Children, have you seen rivers? What you know about rivers? I will say you something about rivers. Rivers are natural channels of fresh water. These channels start as streams and join together to form a river. They carry rainwater or water from melted ice and snow from mountains to plains before finally merging into a lake, another river, sea, or ocean. River passes through 3 stages. I will explain you about these 3 stages. First, we will discuss about the first stage, young river, the upper course. The beginning of a river, when it flows quickly with lots of energy, is called a young river. Some features of the upper course are canyons, waterfalls, and rapids. For example, River Ganga originates at Gangotri. Middle-aged river, the middle course, is the second stage. The middle course of the river begins when it leaves the mountains and enters the plains. Here, the valley widens. Rivers often meander along their middle course. River Ganga has a meandering course between Allahabad and Varanasi. The third stage is the old river, the lowest course. When the river reaches the end of its journey, it is called an old river. The end of the river is called the mouth. The river joins a bigger water body such as a sea. Speed of the river is slow here. The river deposits the silt it carries near the mouth, forming a triangular shaped land called delta.
Thank you for watching our channel. like, share and subscribe. Please press bell icon for our new updates.